Hello everybody. So I'm going to explain you every income sources that we can get with Rocket Hub. Right now we all know how Rocket Hub has been performing and it's one of the biggest generating income sources at this point. So let me explain to you in detail. This is one of the dashboards that we have, and under that we have total earnings, total balance, non-working club income, total pool income, etc. So now I would be explaining you all the income sources in detail and in the most simplest way possible. I have been in this platform for a while now, but this account is one of my friend's accounts, so it's a very brand new account, so that's why I wanted to show you how it works. Now, if you want to know how each income sources that you get is abbreviated or is explained, there is an option here where you go and there is something called earning report. So once you go to the earning report, these are the different income sources that you're going to get. So first, let me talk to you about direct income. So what is direct income? I will be explaining you in detail. And then what is level income, matrix income, non-working income, team club income. These are the only income sources that we would be getting at the beginning. So I would be explaining to you everything in detail. So here we go. So these are all the income sources that I have abbreviated in every situation and every possible way. So for the first person that uses your direct referral, that person from that person you'll get 20% commission, which is $6. Second person you'll get 30%, which is $9. Third person you'll get 40%, which is $12. And the fourth person you will get 50%. Any person that you're going to get above the fourth person, you will still get 50%. But it's mandatory that you have 4 people for you to activate all the plans and for you to transfer your money to your wallet. So it's very important you have 4 people. That's why we are going to calculate only for 4 people at the beginning. So if we calculate for 4 people, $6, $9, $12, $15, all of this added up gives you 42. One second. Yes, it gives you $42, which is nothing but 2,940. We have seen that for you to be able to start this, you would need $34. In Indian rupees, it's 2,000. Yes, it's 2,380 rupees is what you would be needing for you to start this business. Now, as soon as you get the 4 people and their accounts are activated, immediately your account gets credited. Your wallet gets credited with $42, which is nothing but 2,940. The best part about this is you've already recouped your principal. Your principal was 2,380 rupees, whereas right now after you get 4 people it will be 2,940. So right now you already recouped your principal. Now anything that you're going to get above this will be your profits. So as soon as you get the $34, it is suggested that you transfer it back to your bank account, and every step regarding transferring and everything will be explained in the future videos. But for this video, let's just stick to the income groups. So right now we've discussed what is direct income, and with direct income you'll earn $42, which is already 2,940. So you've already recouped your principal. And usually I get questions asking, okay, will this get credited after 24 hours or after 10 days? It gets added immediately as soon as you have someone in your with your referral, and if they get activated, you get that money instantly in your account. So it's immediate, and you get $42, which is 2,940. Proceeding further, we have something called level income. So with level income, it's very easy. It's nothing but indirect income. So anyone who uses your referral will become your direct income, and anyone who uses that referral of your referral with another person becomes an indirect referral. So let's say there's a person called A, and there are four people, and they are B, C, D, and E. They all of them use A's direct referral, but there would be people who B catches. There'll be four people, there would be four people, and there would be four people. So all of these people will become indirect referral to A, because all the direct referrals are referrals that people use for that party. So anyone who uses A's referral will be the direct referral, but anyone who uses other than A's referral, like I said, if here there was someone called Z and they used B's referral, you will still get the income of Z. How much are you going to get is you're going to get $0.5 for every indirect referral. So that is a very very good point, because you get indirect referrals commission also. So let's assume Z has another person, and that is Y. You will still get Y's income and you'll still get $0.5. Let's say there's someone under Y and they use Y's referral, and there's someone called J, you will still get $0.5. So it just keeps going on and on. I hope that is made clear, and that is what is level income. For every indirect income, you have people's money as commission of $0.5. Now let me talk to you about matrix income. Matrix income is that each account you get $4. So you get four accounts, which I said, for anything to start in Rocket Hub, you do need to have four members. So I'm going to talk only about four members, because it's mandatory that you have four members, otherwise you cannot transfer the money to your wallet. So assuming you have four members, which is a must, so each account you get $4. So four accounts, so 4 into $4 is $16. 4 fours are 16. So $16 will be credited to your account within 24 hours. So a lot of them still ask, okay, what does that 24 hours mean? 24 hours means that as soon as the fourth person becomes active and joins, from that timing 24 hours will be taken into consideration. 24 working hours. So working hours does not include 11 p.m. 12 p.m. So 24 hours of working period, and then you'll get $16 in your bank account, which is a good thing. Next we have non-working income. Non-working income is the cherry on the cupcake here, because it's one of the best things that Rocket Hub has actually differentiated themselves from other websites. So the best part about this is you get $1 in your account every day, no matter what, for 3 months. So if you calculate $1 every day, so for 30 days it becomes $30. For 2 months it's 60 days, so it becomes $60. For 3 months it becomes $90. So every day you get $1 in your account. Now, even if you don't have four people, you will still get that $1 in your account, but you will not be able to transfer that money to your wallet. So for you to be able to do that, you need four people. Like I said, all you need to do is get four people, and that is the beginning point. Once you get four people, you get access to all of these incomes. So non-working income, like I said, is literally the cherry on the cupcake. You get $1 per account every day. So you don't get for all your direct referrals, like I said, you don't get for all this, but for this account, which is a master account of yours, you'll get $1 every day. Now going to the next income source, which is called the team club income. Again, assuming that you have four people, every 10 days your account will get credited with $14. So the 10th day you get $14. So how do you know which is the 10th day? The day that your fourth member becomes active is considered the first day. From that day, the 10th day is calculated, and then that 10th day you are given $14. And then 20th day you're given another $14. 30th day you're given another $14. and this goes on again for 3 months. So per month you get 3 periodic payments. Each 10th day you get $14 in your account. For you to be able to use this account, you definitely have to have 4 people. So all I'm saying is, for every income group, it is very important that you have 4 people. So this is one thing that all of us has to understand. And it might look like the incomes that I've explained does not suit the website, but this is the real incomes that have been coming to my account and my friend's account for a period of time. And this is exactly how it has been coming to us, in the same way. I mean, all of us had the same numbers fall into our account, even though the website suggests a few differentiations, but this is exactly how the money has been coming and falling into our account. So I hope you all understood how the income sources work and all the different types of incomes. And trust me, this is one of the best things to do, at least for these 2 months and quarantine and sitting at home. It's no work. All you have to do is just get 4 people. As soon as you get 4 people, like I said, you already get your money back. And there's not much risk, because the risk to reward ratio, the reward is higher here. So any questions or queries, please do reply or comment on this channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested to do this, make sure you click the referral link that I've put below. If you do not have a referral link, you will not be able to join Rocket Hub. So hope this information was extremely useful for you. So kindly click the referral link below, and let's start making money. Thank you.